Chapter 14, Sloka 20. Gunanyetanatītyattrīn. 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 Dehi deha samudbhavan. Dehi deha samudbhavan. Dehi deha samudbhavan. Gunanyetanatītyattrīn. 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 Dehi deha samudbhavan. Janma mrityu jara dukkhaihi. Janma mrityu jara dukkhaihi. Janma mrityu jara dukkhaihi. Vimukto mritamashnuте. Vimukto mritamashnuते. Vimukto mritamashnuते. Janma mrityu jara dukkhaihi. 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 Vimukto mritamashnuते. Gunanyetanatītyattrīn. Dehi deha samudbhavan. Janma mrityu jara dukkhaihi. Vimukto mritamashnuté.
Please like and share this video because you could be instrumental in helping someone around the world recite the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, thereby helping them to have a life of unending opulence, victory and prosperity. This is mentioned in chapter 18, Sloka 78. Yes, don't forget to buy my book, Leadership Can Be Child's Play. Namaste.